Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add months to dates on Excel application. So first of all, of course, all we need to do, just go and open the Excel application if you already have it downloaded into your PC. If you have it, that will be great, but if you don't, you'll have to go and download it. Of course, you will not just download the Excel, you'll have to download the Office Pack, which include the Excel and of course Office Pack are actually paid. So of course you'll have to have you will need an actual activated account that has the Office Pack, or you can just like have a college email or something like that. So of course, once you download it through Microsoft Store or even whatever browser you're using, or even if you have it, just go and open it up. And once it's opened, you'll normally find yourself at this home screen. Of course, it might be like white for you. I'm just having this on a dark mode, and of course, you would like to log in into your account if you have one. If you don't have an account, just go and create one. Of course, now you'd like to click at new. So if you want to create a blank workbook or just any some of the templates here, and you can actually start using it. Or you can just go and open saved file on your computer if you want. For me, I'm just going to open a new blank workbook, and that will normally be my page. So as we said, we would like to add months to a date. So we can use, of course, the eDates function to quickly add or subtract months from a date if you want. The eDates function requires two arguments: the start date and the number of months that you want to add or subtract. So to subtract month, enter a negative number, add as the second argument. For example, like the eDays, like let's say as an example, we are in 2023 and it's month 7, and it's the 6th of the month. And of course, simply you will have to write this, and you want to subscribe or to subscribe, or sorry, to subtract or even add, like whatever you want. So of course you would like to write this. Let me just make it bigger and do black so you can see it. And of course here you can add or of course subtract what, or +5, and that will be added into this date. Even minus will work. So this is actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.